Hey everybody, welcome back. Here we have the Venyn electric charcoal starter. Okay, electric coal heater ready in 3 minutes only, removable and high quality stainless steel charcoal tray. Let's read high quality charcoal burner, stainless steel. Detachable handle can be used as tongs. Let's read the features. The features are electric coal heater, ready in 3 minutes only, removable and high quality, stainless steel charcoal tray. One great feature about this is that you can detach the handle and use it as tongs. So yeah, I really like that. I definitely can't wait to use this. I will do the demonstration in my next video, so stay tuned. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.